and Austria, in spite of the submissive mood of Serbia, submissive in box, and Austria, in spite of the submissive mood of Serbia, declared war on Serbia. Declared war on Serbia. Submissive mood, submissive. Russia came out to support Serbia. Russia came out to support Serbia. Germany sent the army to assist Austria. Germany sent the army to assist Austria. And then under Schindler's plan, Schindler's military commanders, under Schindler's plan, targeted France via Belgium. Targeted France via Belgium. Because France was the part of what? Dual alliance. France was the part of dual submissive mood of Serbia, submissive. Serbia took the action against the terrorist organization. Black hand. Serbia said to Austria, if you are not satisfied by my acts, we will organize a European conference, and whatever Europe will say to me, I will accept. That means what? Serbia was not in the mood of war. But then Germany gives unconditional backing to Austria. Austria attacks Serbia. When Austria attacks Serbia, Russia comes out to support Serbia. When Russia comes out to support Serbia, Germany sends the army to assist Austria. And France and Russia were the part of dual alliance. So under Schindler's plan, Germany targets France via Belgium. अब ये क्वेश्चन और कि Germany has a common border with France, Black Forest area. Then why Germany targeted France via Belgium? Because the main target of Germany was विलियम को इंसेक्ट करना था. ये तो नंगे लोग थे भूखे. France and Russia, they both were beggars. Finally, Russia collapsed in the First World War, Russian Revolution of 1917. Russia तो पूरा लड़ भी नहीं पाया. विलियम को लड़ना था इनसे, Britain. 3/4 of the world was under the control of Britain. Belgium was under the protection of Britain. So if Germany attacks Belgium, Britain will come out to protect Belgium. And this happened, right? The main target, this is clear? The main target of Germany was Britain. Main target of Germany was Britain. And then Germany provokes and attacks Belgium. Germany provokes and attacks Belgium. And as Belgium was under the protection of Britain, so it became the more political duty of Britain to defend Belgium. To defend Belgium. Britain declares war on Germany. Britain declares war on Germany, and that was the beginning of what? First World War. Britain declares war on Germany, and that was the beginning of First World War. Please, find out. All the points are clear. Economic rivalry, political rivalry, general development, Eastern question. If you have any doubt, clear it. Thank you. First Balkan War. Irritation. How can I sell? I am on rent in your house, and I am selling your house. Who's Turkey to sell the territories of Eastern Europe? You are the caretaker, in charge, protector. How will you sell our territory to the third party? J&K is a dispute between India and Pakistan. Now Pakistan can sell POK to China. अभी तो मुद्दा ही डिसाइड होना बाकी. How can you sell POK to China? They have sold it. उन्होंने भेज दिया. क्या अपनी कंट्री भेज दे रहा है POK की क्या बात है? फॉर्म है पाकिस्तानी. By military and intelligence relation cut off कर दिया अमेरिका से. If we have no relation, military relation or intelligence relation with America. बढ़िया है. बहुत देर में समझ में आया किससे रिश्ता रखना चाहिए किससे नहीं. सब क्लियर हो गई बात ना. Now the question is, William II had a very good preparation, complete command on mains. If you don't have a command on mains, prelims will be suicidal. कुछ लोग आके मुझसे कहते हैं ट्रायल करने देने जा रहे हैं. किस चीज का? I am going to appear in prelims only for trial. तो मरने का भी ट्रायल कर ले एक बार. ट्रायल में तुम आइए प्रिलिम्स देने जा रहे हो. नहीं पापा कह रहे थे, पापा को बीच में मत लाओ. तुम बना दो पापा पूछ के. दुनिया में बहुत सारे काम बिना पापा पूछे करते हो. पापा कह रहे थे कि प्रिलिम्स, ये सब नाटकबाजी वाली बातें मत बताया करो. पापा वाज सेइंग कि गो एंड गिव प्रिलिम्स. नहीं होगा तो क्या समझ में तो आएगा. यार लॉजिक भी दे रहे हो, ऐसा लॉजिक दे रहे हो जिस लॉजिक का कोई बैकग्राउंड ही नहीं है. When you give a logic, there should be a background for that logic. अच्छा इस वजह से आप ऐसा कह रहे हो और आप ऐसा कह रहे हो. ब्यूरोक्रेट. If those who are not prepared for mains, because prelims is not a preparation, it's a practice. Mains means concept and fact. That concept and fact are framed as a question in prelims. So mains is a preparation, prelims is a practice. So if you have a 80% command on mains, from the next month, as a precaution, start the practice of prelims. But उसकी कोई प्रिपरेशन नहीं होती. प्रैक्टिस. अब इससे 20,000 क्वेश्चन भी प्रैक्टिस कर रखे थे. कंप्लीट कमांड ऑन मेन एंड देन यू प्रैक्टिस 20,000 क्वेश्चन. बट देन ऑल्सो ही फेल्ड टू क्वालिफाई प्रीलिम्स. अब देखना क्यों. पहली चीज, वो गलती आप मत करना। देखो पहली गलती इसने क्या किया? फर्स्ट मिस्टेक, he relies on the commitment of working class, and working class is a class which is without concept. Capitalist class, clear concept. Middle class, mixed concept. Working class, without concept. And if you rely on the commitment of that class which is without concept, सर यहाँ 50,000 लोग रहते हैं राजेंद्र नगर में, 50,000 people are preparing for IAS here in Rajendra Nagar, and in that 50,000 only 50 qualify and 5,000 are being clear. 5,000 तो मैंने बहुत कह दिया, 500. If you meet those 500 and you listen to them, you will have some profit. If you are listening to everyone, which you do mostly, if you are listening to everyone, you are out of the race. भूल जाओ कि आप कभी IAS बनोगे, पॉसिबिलिटी ही नहीं. Everyone has its own story. Don't listen to the people who are without concept. Working class, इनका लाइफ में कोई कॉन्सेप्ट, कुछ भी समझा दो इनको, कुछ भी. When the war started, the capitalists increased the wages of the working class. They were getting 100 rupees per day. They started giving 1,000 rupees per day. And what is the main requirement of a working class? Money. अगर रिक्शा वाला 1,000-2,000 रुपये पर डे पाने लगे, ये तो कभी स्ट्राइक पे ही ना जाए. तो सिर्फ रविंद्रन कैन गो ऑन स्ट्राइक. 10 महीने कोचिंग बंद है, कोई फर्क ही नहीं पड़ेगा उनको. आई कैन नॉट गो ऑन स्ट्राइक. वर्किंग क्लास, बीवी को छोड़कर बाकी हर चीज EMI पर है. How can I go on a strike? मैं कैसे स्ट्राइक पे जा सकता हूँ? First step of the capitalist, 100 to 1,000. And then the capitalists called the union leaders. They opened the treasury to the union leaders to pick up the money. First of all, 98 picked up the money. 2 were adamant, we are not for sale. हम बिकते नहीं, मरते तो. 98 were purchased, 2 were killed, and these union leaders, they went and said to the working class, our motherland is in danger. And the moment they said our motherland is in danger, the working class, instead of going on strike, increased the working hours. If earlier they were working for 10 hours, now they started working for 16 hours. The main plan of William II collapsed. What was the main plan? War against war? The main plan collapsed. First mistake, relying on the commitment of, ये मत करना लाइफ में. आप सबकी बात क्यों सुनते हो भाई? यार तुम्हारी गर्लफ्रेंड दीपक के साथ टहल देगी. इंसान है क्या? इंसान टहलेगी. आपको ऑप्शन मिले, आप नहीं टहल सकते उसके साथ. The things which you don't do, you try to impose only those things on others. There will be no trouble in life. अगर आपको अपनी पत्नी छोड़कर कोई दूसरी दुनिया में अच्छी नहीं लगती, तो यू कैन हैव एक्सपेक्टेशन फ्रॉम योर वाइफ कि तुमको भी नहीं देखना चाहिए, मैं बहुत कमिटेड आदमी हूँ. पर जब आपको लगती है तो कुछ लोग बताते हैं यार, जैसे तुम ह्यूमन बीइंग हो ऐसे वो भी ह्यूमन बीइंग. तो बंद करके रखोगे.